Hey, welcome guys. I am very excited about the potentials of AI to help me create even more engaging and innovative content in the future. Today I am going to tell you about the Genspark AI, which is a far better than any other AI tools that can save our time and better result in a few seconds. So we will going into the different types of you can see here fashion, general chat, generate image, translate all these things one by one. So you can see my screen, and here is a different types of pages you can see here. So these are all in trending news you can see here. And if you can want to generate general chat, so you can see here like a chat gpt. You can see here in best laptop 2025, and it will be thinking and generate different types of chatbot agent also here, because here are 5 to 7 agent. Okay, now GPT-40 is a writing, and here is also Cloud 3.5 Sonnet and Gemini 1.5 Pro also. And whatever you love to content, so you can use this. If you love to GPT-4, so you can see here the result of it. Okay, you can read it also. If you love to all other things, so you can, here is a different agent you can see here: GPT-40, GPT-4 mini, OI, Cloud 3.5, Gemini 1.5, Gemini 1.5 Flash. Okay, now coming to the home page, and we will be, if you want to generate the image, we can generate the image. So if I am if I will be tell you create sky blue and walking man. Okay, now if we want to changes the auto, and here are the different models: flux, okay, flux 1.1, ideogram, or Raycraft. You can go through the indirectly into their website, but here is the best thing is that can create in one platform. Okay, now you can see here, please ignore my English. You can see here, and the result is also here. It is a far better than any other things because it's a good. Okay, now coming to the next thing, we can see here, if we want to translate something, so it can be translate, and data research, which is a good, I think, than any other. If you want to you want to research something and you want to create something new, so you can just create and describe what data you need to do it. So if you want to data, best laptop, okay, in the word and price. Okay, now data research, and what will we see here? You can see here task is running also, it is continue even if you choose the page. So it is searching, it is extracting from the Google's website and give us to the data from there. You can see here, okay, key features. You can see here the starting price $1,000, 0.99. okay, and the best things I want to share with you, if if you search scope of AI. Okay, now we research and read the extract the 28 resources, okay, sources. Now the best things I want to show you, it gives us to how we can see here, Yes, mind map. I want to share with you mind map. You can see here mind map also. If you want to search something, so it gives us to mind maps. I mean, in healthcare, you can see here applications, healthcare, finance, transportations, retails, and if you want to add on it, you can add on it, and it's 100%. Then we can far more deep into it. Okay, so now coming to the next things, I want to show you what we can do it. Travels also, we can see here travel. If somebody goes to somewhere and confused where should go and not, so here is also you can choose and you can tips here, and whatever. So you if you want to I mean I want to go to Dubai. Okay, now what will be thinking, so we will be see, it seems we are exploring. So here is the thing is, here will be I mean in the map and the image also the Dubai, and the Dubai you can see here solo explorer, 5-day Dubai, 7-day, okay, solo adventure. Okay, now we will be click on it, is exploring. Okay, exploring. So you can see here tables, Dubai Peak, Dubai Museum, Dubai South, Burj Khalifa, all these things. You can see here the photos also. Okay, this is the good things if somebody wants to, and YouTube videos also. If I mean in vloggers who already there. Okay, now